Good day guys and welcome to another video. As you can see, I am in Dunn River. I have some friends from Trinidad and I'm going to be showing them around Ocho Rios today. But of course we have to start at the famous Dunn's. Alright guys, so we're here in Calypso Rafting with my friends. What's your name?
Sue, I'm Soraya.
Soraya. Who's this?
Reshma.
Reshma. And we have
Lauren.
Lauren and Vera.
Vera, you have to look at the camera.
Yeah,
Oh,
Vera.
hi.
Yeah, so we did Dunn's River. How was Dunn's River, guys?
Amazing.
Excellent. I want to go back.
So
Yes.
beautiful.
Yeah, so they really enjoyed Dunn's River and they're going to do the Calypso rafting now.
So,
A full day in Ocho Rios. Excited?
So exciting.
Alright, well you guys know the routine. They're going down the river. I have to go down the road. Alright guys, so now we did the river rafting as you saw. And we drove up and we're now in Gully Falls or Blue Hole. It's not that late, you know, it's not even 2 o'clock yet, but it is overcast. That's why it's looking like this. I haven't been here in a long time. Look at it. Some big koi.
she did it. Look at the jacket. Yeah, she did it for the jacket.
Yeah. So what do you guys think?
Yes.
You like the waterfall?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh my God.
Oh, that waterfall is so pretty, man. They are amazed at how pretty Jamaica is and all the different waterfalls and things. It's been years and years and years since I've seen this one. It have other smaller waterfalls, but nothing like this. I forgot how beautiful this place is. Look at it. Whoa. 1, 2, 3. No push. Alright, so we went to the top of the waterfall, jumped. The guide is very good, Travis. He did a big jump. Excellent. Alright guys, I know that this video will be a bit short and also kind of choppy because you know I'm jumping from place to place. But you last saw us there at Blue Hole. That was the last thing we did and it started to rain. So therefore, you know, we needed to, well, I needed to kind of put away the camera, so that's why I didn't see much more footage. The guys really enjoyed it. I just dropped them back at their hotel and I'm driving back home. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoy these little videos of me showing my friends around Jamaica. If anybody's interested and they're visiting Jamaica, especially on the weekend or something like that, let me know. I'll make sure you have a good time, okay? Anyway guys, thanks as always for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay? Bye.
1, 2. You got this. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Got it. Got it. 1, 2, 3.